Let's take a look at the first 7 problems of section 6.4 here. What is the ratio of sour snaps, and we know that that's 5 pounds of sour snaps, to the total amount of candy sold? So the second part is to the total, and that's what we need to figure out. So it'd be 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. We add up all the candy, and that equals 25. Again, they want a ratio, so let's just simplify it, and it's 1 to 5. Number 2 was the ratio of chocolate sold to jelly beans sold. So chocolate to jelly beans. So chocolate is 6 pounds, jelly beans is 8 pounds. They want chocolate on top, so it'd be 8 pounds of jelly beans sold underneath it. 6/8 can simplify to 3 to 4. And there's your answer, 3 to 4. What's the ratio of yogurt covered raisins? Well, that's 6 pounds. And we want to chocolate, so it'd be on the bottom, and that'd be 6 pounds, so it'd really be 6/6, and that does simplify to 1, but remember, it's a ratio. They want a ratio, so we need a second number, put a 1 under it. Number 4 was the ratio of chocolate and jelly beans sold to the total amount of candy. So you want chocolate, 6 pounds of chocolate, and 8 pounds of jelly beans, and you need to add those together, and it'll be over the total amount, so that we're to the total amount. So 6 plus 8 would be the chocolate and jelly beans together. 25 was the total amount sold, so it would be 14 over 25. That can't be simplified, so there's your ratio. Number 5, we need the ratio of candy sold that's not chocolate. So that'd be the jelly beans, the sour snaps, and the yogurt covered raisins. We'd add those up together, and we'd put that over the total amount. So the non-chocolate would be the 8, the 5, and the 6 added up. That's your total number, the non-chocolate. Over the total is 25. So really it works out to be 1925, and that's not able to be simplified. Number 6 is the last ratio question. What's the ratio of sour snaps to chocolate? So that's pretty easy. It'd be 5 to 6. Can't simplify it, so there's your answer. And number 7, this will be the last one I'll do for this quick little video here. In a bag of marbles, so go ahead and draw your little bag of marbles there. There's a ratio of blue to red marbles, and that's 2 to 3. So that means that there's 2 blue marbles, because it's 2 for the blue, and 3 red, because the red came second, okay? So you go ahead and you write your letters in there just to know it. Assuming there are only 2 colors in the bag, so that means there's no other colors. What is the percent of blue marbles in the bag? Well, that's not too hard. You need to come up with a situation like the strawberry jam example. So we're interested in the blues. So how many blues do we have? We've got, we put blue marbles up top, but it's not 3 on the bottom. We need to come up with the total number of marbles on the bottom. So it'd be 2 blues on top against the total, which is all 5 marbles. And so it's a 2 to 5 ratio, not a 2 to 3 ratio, but a 2 to 5. You got to go work for that 5. You got to go find the total. You take 2, divide it by the bottom number 5, you get 0.4. Slide that decimal over twice to make it into a percent. And there you have it. The bag has a mixture of 40% blue marbles.